Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a follow-up video to my newly named video from last year. In that video, I shared what the newly named service was and unboxed one of their kits. And since sharing that, I've gotten a lot of questions about the service, about my experience, and I wanted to answer some of the most popular ones and also give you an update about how the process actually went. So without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, I have my newly named folder here. This has been a godsend. They have really made the name changing process very simple for me. So a lot of people just wanted to know how it went, if it was really that easy, and my thoughts on it. Let me start by saying I'm not done yet. It's definitely a process to change your name, and I waited a little bit to get started because we had some trips planned where I would need my passport, and I didn't want to have to get hung up waiting for my passport, but it all has been working out pretty well. Here is my checklist. So far, I have obtained my marriage certificate, I got a new social security card, a new driver's license, I'm currently updating my vehicle title and registration. My car is paid off and we recently moved, so there's a little more legwork to be done with that. That has nothing to do with the name change. Passport, I have to do like ASAP because those trips are now over. Voter registration, I was able to update this when I got my new license, and my postal service is updated. Actually, most of my bank accounts are updated as well. I just haven't checked it off. So all I'm really waiting to do is the passport and my vehicle title registration. So not too bad. I've pretty much worked my way through this whole system, and I have to say it was amazing. It really was amazing. I didn't end up mailing anything. I actually booked appointments in person to do all of these things. When I ordered the kit, COVID was still kind of like looming about, but when it was time to change my name, most of the offices were open. To get started, you need your marriage certificate. That's probably the most important step. So I called the town hall of the town that we got married in, and they had a copy of our marriage certificate. You can go pick it up or you can request them to mail it to you. They mailed it to me. It got here in about a week, which was great. I was expecting it to take a lot longer. I think I paid $20, but now I have a copy of our marriage certificate. From there, I got all the paperwork that I needed, that newly named told me, and made an appointment with Social Security. I went to the Social Security office nearby, popped in with my paperwork, showed them my marriage certificate, and I'm not even kidding you, the whole appointment, like waiting time and all, took maybe 7 minutes. Probably the easiest part of this whole process, but I felt very prepared because Newly Named really did list out exactly what I would need and how to do these things. So there were no unexpected surprises or setbacks, and I was grateful for that. So once I had my new Social Security, they mailed me a card, which took a little bit longer to arrive, but I did have a paper stating that my name had been changed and updated. So when I went to renew my license, that served as the Social Security card for the time being. My license was expiring and we just bought a house. So I had a new address, a new name, and I needed a new license, which was great. I was able to do that all in one shot. So I went to the DMV with my marriage certificate, proof of my new Social Security, and all the other things that they needed. I think I brought my passport, maybe a piece of mail. I forget everything, but Newly Named will remind you. And that process was pretty quick as well. So I am officially Amanda Nicole Hopper, which is so strange, but very cool. Vehicle title and registration, all the paperwork is in here. I'm gonna do that soon. Same with the passport. Postal service, very easy to update. You could just do that online. And then my bank accounts. I also have a business account that I need to update. So I physically went to my main bank, sat down with one of the bankers, and he just helped me update everything online and ordered me new cards. So that was that. So a few newly named questions that I've been asked is, one, how far in advance can you order this? I would say you can order it at any time, as long as the forms aren't gonna be changing in your state. I wouldn't order it too far in advance. Like, I probably wouldn't do it more than a year out, just because who knows what's gonna change. Another question was, does the kit include your marriage license? No, it did not. I had to request that from the town that we got married in. Someone asked, what if I have multiple properties? I do not think the kit does that. I think that might be more of a lawyer thing. We bought a house in May and I didn't change my name until June. So I had to go back after our first mortgage payment had been made to sign some paperwork with my lawyer. I would just check with whoever manages, the legal stuff for your properties. Would I recommend this service? 1000%. It really made an overwhelming task very palatable, very manageable, and very easy to do. I'm almost done working my way through the kit. And to be fair, I just started the process this past June, July, August, September, October. So only 5 months. And I would say I got most of this done in like a couple of weeks. So if you're a little more organized and on top of it, you could probably bang this out much quicker than me, but it feels really good to have officially changed my name. I know a lot of women don't want to change their name nowadays, and I understand and respect that. But if you do, this is definitely something I would encourage you to check out. If you have a friend or family member getting married in the near future, I would suggest this to them or get it as a gift. It's a really fabulous service. I do still have a Newlynamed code. It was updated in September 2022. If you use Amanda B15 at checkout, you'll get a nice little discount on your kit. So definitely take advantage if you're thinking about ordering. I hope you found this update helpful. I'm trying to think of anything else that I should share about it. It was amazing. It was amazing. I preferred to do things in person, so the only thing that didn't really get utilized was the pre-stamped envelopes, which is fine. I used them for other things, but all the paperwork was here already filled out, and that's really the biggest battle. If you have any questions about Newlynamed, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to try to answer them for you. If you enjoyed this update, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and be sure to take advantage of code AmandaB15 at newlynamed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!